day 5, day 6, React Docs, React Docs 6. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing, guys? So, the last React Docs was a long time ago, so I'm just continuing this docs part basically. So we are gonna complete now. We are gonna continue this uh, from where we left it. All right. So basically, we start with TypeScript. Okay, so I was doing TypeScript with React. So basically, we will extend this up. All right, extend this up. And I guess what I had done on the last stream of React Docs was, what was I have done? Okay, so I was doing React to Next.js. I was learning React in Next.js. All right, so that's very, you know. All right, now what we are doing in the last stream. Let me see this. What I had done on the last stream. All right. So I was on the React desk. Okay, so I was working with the reducer. All right. I was working with the reducer. All right. Reducer. R-E-D. Okay, use reducer. All right. I was here. Uh. So what am I doing? Come on, man. What was that? Page. Okay, let me go to the page. Oh damn, this is not this which I wanted. This is it. This is it. नाराज़ कलाकारां कुछ वेरी बने यारानु कुछ पक्के यहाँ पे यारानु लकदा तबाही में दिमाग तो बीमारानु. Okay, so basically I was on reducer. All right, reducer. Okay, not a big deal. Now okay, what was that here? I will remember this, man. Filter product table, reducer, create thinking. No. For the TikTok game. All right. And what is this? Reducer TSX. All right. And okay, so let's spin this up. Burn down. नाराज़ आई कलाकारां कुछ वेरी बने यारानु कुछ पक्के अपे यारानु लकदा तबाही में दिमाग जो बीमारानु. add 5 add 5 add 5 add 5 add 5. Why I cannot add it? Add 5. Okay, dispatch 5 and then I updated 5, then add 5 button in here. And what I'm doing okay, so basically I'm not increasing it 5 by 5. I'm just changing this value to 5. All right, so that's it. But what I need to do is that I have to do this. All right, I have to do this. So what will I do? First of all, I have to add another function in here. I guess another function. Yep. This one, right? The initial state, and then okay, the initial state is this. I have to add this state reducer. Okay, state is not state is not assignable. State is not assignable. State is not assignable. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, my man? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, my man? Initial state. Initial state. All right. So what was the initial state? Initial state is this state count 0. All right. So what I'm doing in here is that initial state is 0. Okay. Initial state is 0. Initial state is 0. And state dot count. And now expected 0 to 1, but got 2. Oh, that's use state. Alright, I don't have use state right here. Use reducer. Now I think everything is fine. I'm gonna parameter type this, parameter type this. Alright. So basically, I have the action state reducer, I have the state and the action. Okay. So I do is that this set count. Set count is this. Count is this. So argument type number is not some type counter action. Alright. So basically set count is this, dispatch is this. So action dot type, right? Action counter action type is the set. Dispatch type is what is this? Set count. No, not this. Set count, and then type is this, and set count, and then value is no, value state and then count. So add 5, value state count plus 5. What is this? I cannot understand that. Value state and then count. State and then count. State and then count. State of count. State of count. So value would be state dot count plus 5. Is it? Type is reset. If I say here add 5, okay, it's working. We're fine. So basically, what is it going on? All right. So I have the state of count, state of count number. I have an interface that is state, and this state count is number. Okay, and this is counter action has 2 actions. Okay, first type is reset, second type is set count. If I have the set count, then I have to give it a value. All right, give it a value, that is the count value. All right, and now the initial state is state, count is 0. Initial state of type is state, that is count of 0. All right, now I have the function of the set reducer that takes 2 things: the state, the current state, and the action. All right, the current state and the action. Okay, so and it returns me a state, returns me count. Okay, so if I switch the action type reset, so I'll get the initial state. And if it is set count, then what do I get? Return the state, the previous state, and then we add a count on it. Add a count on it. All right. So basically in dispatch, we just have to add the action, not the state. Okay, not the state. कुछ वेरी बने यारा नु, कुछ पक्के या प्यारा नु, लकदा तबाही में दिमाग चो बीमारा नु, के ना मुंडे नोंग नो तेनो दा सरकारा नु. Okay, I got it. Now, so we are using TypeScript in a few key places. Interface state describe the shape of the reducer state. Okay, and then the counter action describe the different action which can be dispatched to the reducer. Const initial state is a state, and then provides a type of initial state and also the type which is used by use reducer by default. Okay, this one. Now, the state reducer function takes two arguments, state, the current state, and the action. Sets to a types of reducer functions argument and return value. More explicit alternative to settings on a type initial state is provided by argument to use reducer. Okay. A more explicit alternative to settings the type in initial state is to provide a type argument to use reducer. All right. कुछ वेरी बने यारानो, कुछ पके या पे यारानो, लगता तबाही में दिमाग चो बीमारानो, लोंगले सरकारानो. Okay, so basically what I'm concluding in here is that this is the state and we have to play with this state. Okay, and action is a total another thing which the value depends on. Okay, which the value depends on. Okay, what I meant is I am depending on the action type. All right, that the state value depend on which action type it is. All right, so it's total different, like it's other entity than the state. All right, now what is happening in here, that when the type, the action type is this, then in that case I am returning the state to be the initial state, and if I have the set count, then I'll return the state. Which state? The state of Which state is this? कुछ वेरी बने यारानो कुछ पक्के आप यारानो बने यारानो कुछ पक्के आप यारानो रखता तपाई में दिमाग छो बीमार के सवेरे चनन गोली आले मिलती है टेंशन ना कोई नहीं पेरी नहीं मिलती है वेट रेंदी केड़ी गोली सीना मेरा चिलती है अपा तो भी जूंदे अप कर मिडल फिंगर राणो मूसे वाला कौन लोग पुछदे आ स्विंग राणो टाइम चले पुठा डाउन वैरिया नु पुठा आई तो है बड्डी स्विंग राणो टाइम चले मेरा कड़े बैके मार यानी गला कड़े बैके मार यानी गला कड़े बैके मार यानी गला ऐड ऐड